Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 controller drift. First, let's understand that drift often happens when the analog sticks send incorrect signals, making your character move without input. Begin by fully powering down your PlayStation 5 console for at least 60 seconds, then restart it. Next, connect your controller via USB and check for any system or controller firmware updates in the settings menu. Keeping everything updated can often resolve minor glitches causing drift. A common culprit for drift is dust or debris under the analog stick. Grab a can of compressed air and holding it upright, give short, controlled bursts around the base of the affected stick. While doing this, gently rotate and press the stick in all directions to dislodge any trapped particles. For a deeper clean, dampen a cotton swab with 99% isopropyl alcohol and carefully wipe around the stick's rim, allowing it to dry completely before use. If cleaning doesn't work, a simple reset can often help. On the back of your DualSense controller, locate the tiny reset button near the L2 trigger. Use a small, pointed object like a paperclip to press and hold it for 5 seconds. After resetting, reconnect your controller. While the PS5 doesn't have a built-in calibration tool, some games offer dead zone adjustments. Test your controller thoroughly in various games to see if the drift is gone. If you've tried all these steps and your PS5 controller still drifts, it might be time to consider professional help or a replacement. First, check if your controller is still under Sony's warranty, which typically lasts for 1 year from the purchase date. If not, you could look into reputable third-party repair services. For the very adventurous, replacing the analog stick modules yourself is an option, but it requires specific tools and a steady hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.